everyone, Ashley here, and this is the look we're going to be creating today. I'm wearing Desio lenses in shade Pepper Gray. I do have an affiliate code, AshleyKayla50 for 10% off. I'm starting out with a little bit of concealer, blending that out with a sponge, creating an even base. Next, I'm going in with the Naked 3 Urban Decay mini palette in a Morphe fluffy brush, and I'm applying Laced Up in the outer corner. Here you can see I'm kind of like packing it on, following the upward slope of my lower lash line upwards towards my brow bone, and then I'm dragging it across, following the contour of my crease, bringing that inwards, connecting it with that outer corner portion. Just kind of using windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm blending out that top edge to create a seamless blend. Just using a very light hand to kind of just buff the edges, applying a little bit to the lower lash line as well, connecting it with the outer corner. Just blending everything out together. I'm next using the same brush in the color Right Time, and I'm applying this a little bit lower than our previous shade and then blending it in. Just keeping it lower to add a little bit more depth, maintaining that upward slope of the lower lash line upwards to create that V shape in the outer corner, and then bringing this a little bit into the crease, just using what's already on the brush. Just blending everything out, a little bit onto the lower lash line as well. Next, with the color Adriatic from the Natasha Denona pastel palette and a shader brush from the craft store, I'm applying this all over my lid and then bringing it up to the crease. Once I get to the crease, I'm feathering it upwards to have a diffused edge and no harsh lines. I'm dragging it all the way to the outer corner and inner corner, just having a smooth concentration of the color on the lid and then diffused edges. Just kind of sweeping it upwards with a light hand. Next, with the shader brush again in the color Zest from the pastel palette, I'm applying this to the inner corner and then feathering it into our previous shade on the lid. And then I'm sweeping it downwards about towards the middle of my lower lash line and then feathering and blending those edges as well by sweeping outwards with the brush. Just blending everything together. Next, with the color Spiced in the flat shader brush again, I'm applying this to the outer portion of my upper lash line and then blending it upwards. And then just blending it out into the colors around it, just kind of deepening the outer corner. Next, I'm adding an inner corner wing with this brown eyeliner from Mavenbeauty, going in with mascara. This is the Loreal Telescopic Lift. And then I'm adding some false lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!